Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the onboarding and activation process in TranZact. How do new customers get onboarded into the platform? So let's begin. So this is the sign up page for TranZact, which a customer sees when they come onto the platform via website or other medium. If you see over here, the first thing that comes to notice is on the left hand side, we have put in names of our customers and their owners and what they feel about TranZact. So this gives assurance to the companies who are coming on to the first time that okay, TranZact has customers and they are actually getting benefit out of the platform. Now, this is the sign up form in which if you see that we have mentioned digitizing manufacturing and trading SMEs twice, once on the top and once on the bottom. So the reason is that we want to qualify customers at this stage, and we don't want to the unqualified customers, that is those who are not manufacturing or trading companies, to get into the platform. So this is a simple sign up form wherein you can enter the name of the company and the name of the person. So the email ID is the login for the person, right? So I filled up the form. Now, as soon as I click on sign up, I will get into the platform. So when the user clicks on sign up, they land onto this page. So we have eliminated the step of going and verifying the email address. That is done so that we can reduce the drop off. They get an email to verify the email address, but it's not a compulsory step. Now in this page, user has to select which type of company they are. So manufacturing, trading, service, retail, and others. Even though we are focusing on manufacturing and trading, we have mentioned the other three so that people enter the right information and we are able to qualify companies better. So I'll select manufacturing, go ahead. Then on this page, companies select their main pain points. So this is done so that we are able to capture why the companies are actually coming to TranZact and help them get the best value out of TranZact. So I'll select three main pain points. So this is a page where we keep on iterating on the types of problems that we want to show, the number of selections that the company can do and such things. So once I move to this page, this is the page where I take the basic information about the company, such as the address and the item they buy and sell. Even though this form looks difficult, but we feel that it's okay to take some data if we are able to personalize the product or the platform for the company. So over here, some people enter the data because it's already saved in their forms, like I have got saved, or you can fill the dummy address as well and dummy items. Now, if you see, as soon as I fill the address and items on left hand side, I got to see the items and my address on the form, and this gives a personal touch. Now in mobile number, I'll enter my mobile number. We are taking mobile number so that we can send WhatsApp messages to the company and help them get onboarded quickly. So as soon as I click on proceed, the profile of the company gets created, the address is added, the items are added. So once this company lands on the page, we ask them the option whether to want to talk to expert, they want to see the video, or they want to explore the product on their own. So I'll explore the product on my own. So on this page, this is the home page on which the company lands. So if you see over here, so we have provided 3 activation steps. So these are the steps if the company takes, then we believe that this company gets to see the real value of the platform quickly. So first step is, for example, over here, create invoice. And these steps are based on the problems that I selected. So if I select a different set of problems, I would have got some different steps. So over here, I can create invoice. I can then see the inventory and then see how my receivables are changing. So this is the main homepage. Over here, I have got the product video. I can see the product demo video from here itself. Then we have got a page wherein we are telling the company about the data security. So this gives assurance to the company that their data is safe and secure. Then on the right hand side, we have a quick profile setup page. So once the company takes a look at the different aspects of the product, they click on quick profile setup, and then they can set up enter their basic information and set up their profile. So for example, if I want to add an item, so I can click on single item, And these are the fields that are required to enter an item. So over here, item ID is auto-filled. Item name I can enter, say, Apple, and then the unit of measurement. So there are certain unit of measurement already added. You can add new as well. Current stock is suppose 100, price 200, and I just save. So the item is added. Now I can add items in bulk as well. So if I click on bulk item upload, a page opens wherein this is the sample data which needs to be uploaded. I can download the Excel template and I can upload the template and all the items will get added. The key things over here to note is that we need to minimize the number of fields that we are taking, especially the compulsory fields. The information about each of the fields should be displayed clearly, and user should be able to understand what each of these fields mean. And if there is any error in the template as well, or the file that is uploaded, that should be highlighted very efficiently. Similarly, user can add the counterparties as well. So I'll just add a company. So if I have to add a company, there are a more number of compulsory fields. For example, I have to enter the name of the company. I have to enter their email address, their address, at least the line 1 address, the city, state. So we need to work on this as well so that people can add a company very easily. So this is a addition of single company, and users can also upload multiple companies via Excel. Then they can update the other fields as well, such as their billing address, delivery location, their terms and conditions. So everything can be done from here. So once they do that, they can start using the platform. So we can also, okay, so now once the user has created the profile, they can add new users to their company as well. They can invite their team members. So I can add my team members. So I can add a person's name, first name, last name, and their email ID, and just invite team member. Email will go out to them saying that you can, email will go out to them and they can also log into the platform. Okay, now if I go to settings page, you can see, okay, so now you can see over here on right hand side, the platform is reminding me that I have not yet created the invoice. So that's another thing. From time to time, a pop-up comes up to remind that they need to create the invoice or the documents. So over here in settings, you can see the billing address is there, delivery location is there, bank detail is there. So we have divided the settings into two parts. One is the basic settings, which are the addresses, the document details, account details, these things. Then there are some advanced settings as well, wherein people can change the tax options that they want to see, whether they want to restrict the negative stock or not. So these are some advanced setting options. I mean, you can go through them individually. Now, there is a block of connect with expert on top of every page. So if I click on it, you can schedule you can schedule a session with our expert, a TranZact expert, and you can, if you have any doubt, you can ask them in the session itself. So this is how people connect with our team members to know more about the product. And if you have any instant doubt that you want to clarify, over here there is a chat option, and you can ask questions. So either you can send a message or you can directly go to the TranZact Knowledge Center. So this is another thing, as I had mentioned in other videos, that this is something that our users love. This is it from this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.